Hi everyone, Sam here. Today I'm going to be giving you a comprehensive guide to high school. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. AP courses. AP courses are advanced level classes offered in high schools that allow students to earn college credits. By excelling in these courses and performing well on corresponding exams, students can demonstrate their proficiency in a subject and potentially earn college credits or advanced standing at many universities. Balance. Balancing school and personal relationships can be hard, but try to allocate time to both. Clubs. Joining a club is a really good way to meet people who have similar interests. Drink water. Dehydration can be your worst enemy during a major test. Educate. Educate others. Help them learn and they will teach you other things in return. Fighting. Fighting gets you nowhere. Please just keep it out of the hallways. Graphing paper. Graphing paper is an important material in most math and some science classes. Be happy. Happiness can sometimes be contagious. Try to share it with some people once in a while. Inclusion. If you see someone who looks like they're left out, try to include them. January. January is a difficult month since you're just coming back from winter break. Don't let it discourage you. Kindness. Kindness is key. Don't be a jerk to people. Libraries. Libraries are a really good place to have study groups. Music. Listening to music while studying is a good way to keep on track, as long as it's relaxed and not too high energy. Nature. Spending time in nature can be really good to relax, especially if you're in an art class. Older siblings. Older siblings are a great resource for homework help, since they've done these classes before. Positivity. Positivity helps. Keeping a good attitude will get you miles further with your teachers. Queer people. Queer people are valid. As a bisexual person myself, my school has been relatively supportive of me, but I know it can be very different other places. Don't be the problem, be the solution. Respect. Respect your teachers. They aren't paid enough to deal with your tomfoolery, absurdity, antics, clowning, craziness, hijinks, horseplay, insanity, irresponsibility, lunacy, badness, ridiculousness, shenanigans, skullduggery, and silliness. Service hours. Service hours are easier if you get them out of the way ahead of time so you aren't scrambling for them at the end of your senior year. Time management. Time management is the single most important skill you will need in order to complete high school successfully. Universities. Universities will often hold open houses. Try to attend them so you can figure out whether or not the university is the right one for you. Virtual learning. Virtual learning sucks. Especially if you're like me and have ADHD, it's super easy to get distracted by other things at home, so actually being in the building will allow you to get better grades. Walking. If you can, walking to school is a really good way to stay in shape. You're already going there, and it also helps save the environment, because you aren't using a car. Finding X. X is a number that you're going to come across in algebra. If you've ever taken pre-algebra, good for you, you probably already know it. Essentially, it's a missing number that you're going to need to find out the value of. Yearbooks. While really expensive, yearbooks are a really good way to keep track of memories in high school. If you can afford it, definitely get it. Zoning out. Zoning out can cost you a lot if you miss something important. Take notes in class to keep your brain active. Hey guys, this is me in post-editing. I just want to say that while this is a good list of guidelines to follow, they aren't rules for high school. Forge your own path, be yourself. Obviously, still follow the rules, but don't be scared to be yourself. Other people don't really care, and if they do, it's not worth it. They're just jealous that you're proud to be yourself, you know? And just, yeah, that's pretty much all the advice I have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.